Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to look at Excel solver or solver. We are going to use it to calculate this question or solve this problem. Okay. So this is the question. We are going to use Microsoft Excel. Let me first go through the question. Use Excel solver to solve the problem below. The unit sold, it is 600.58. Price per unit, it is 3.80. Revenue 2,500. Cost per unit 1.50. Total cost, it is 987. Then profit, it is 1,513. So what does this imply? It means that to get revenue, it's going to be units sold times the price per unit. Okay, and then the cost price, it's going to be the cost. So to get the total cost, it's going to be unity. It's going to be the units sold times the cost per unit. That's how we get the total cost. And to get profit, it's going to be total revenue of 2,500 minus total cost of 987. Okay, required as a CIS student, you have been asked to use Excel solver and ensure that this business yields a profit of 2,000 by adjusting the dependent variables in bracket the ones without formulas. So we are going to add the following constraints. Constraint number 1, the selling price cannot go beyond 4, and then the profit should be 2,000. So without wasting time, I'm going to launch Microsoft Excel. It's on the desktop. It is here. Let me launch it. Okay. So I've launched Microsoft Excel. So let's start with our question. I'm going to first input that data. Okay. Let's start with unit sold of 600.58. Unit sold of 600.58. Okay, is it? Let me first check. Yeah, it is the same. Then price per unit, it is price per unit it is 3.8. Okay, so to get revenue, I'm going to use a formula. Okay, let me first skip that. And then cost price, I'm going to just input cost is cost per unit cost per unit, it is 1.50. And then to get the total cost, total cost, I'll also use a formula. And then to get profit, I'm going to use a formula as well. Okay, so let me first increase my font. Okay, home, and then font size, let me use 24, so I can that my work you can see it well. Okay, so to get revenue, like I said, it's going to be unit sold then times price per unit. Okay, that's how we can get revenue. So let me verify it is the same. So revenue, it is the same, 2,500. Okay, we are free to go. So to get total cost, okay, it's going to be the units sold and then times the cost per unit. Okay, let me verify whether it is 987. So it is the same. Okay, let me go to profit. So to get profit, it's going to be 11 minus this expense minus total cost. Okay, I think it is the same. So let's continue with our question. This is the required part. As a CIS student, you have been asked to use Excel solver and ensure that this business yields a profit of 2,000. So this is our target objective. This business that business should yield the profit of 2,000. Okay, so we are going to 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 do that using solver. So solver, it is here on data. Okay, it is here, but sometimes or on some machines it is not there. So what do? You have to first initiate it. To do that, you come here to file and then you go to options. Okay, and then go to add-ins. You click there and then you choose solver add-in. You look for solver add-in. When you reach there, after clicking, you come here and you click go, and then you check. uh, Before it's supposed to be unchecked, then you have to check it or to tick it. Okay, and then you press okay. So when you come here on data, it must be here. Okay, let me click solver. Okay, what is our set objective according to this question? We want to achieve a profit of 2,000. Okay, so I'm going to click on our objective of getting profit. Okay, uh, and then we which value of you have to click here. Value of, you want to change it to 2,000. That is our objective of uh, having a profit of 2,000. Then by changing variables, you come here on your data and you reference or you click on those without formulas, those which you want to change to have that goal of 2,000. So you want to change like as we have seen, unit uh, unit unit sold, we have not used the formula. Yes, so I'm going to click on it. So to add another one, just come here and press and hold the control button on your keyboard, and then you check and then you select another one which is price per unit. It's also a variable without a formula. Okay, and then we have seen the cost per unit. We have not used the formula also. You click on it. When you reference uh, when you reference carelessly, uh, you will get an error. An error will pop up. All your things will not work. So we are done with that. Now we are going to add constraints. After adding your constraints must appear here on this box. Okay, So let's add the constraints. Constraints, the first one is selling price cannot go beyond it cannot go beyond 4, meaning it should not exceed what? Should not exceed 4. So which operator can we use? That should be in your mind. To add a constraint, you come here and you click add. Okay, which cell do you want to reference? They have said selling price, that is the unit price, should not go beyond 4. Okay, it is here 3.8. The hour price per unit, it should not go beyond, meaning we are going to use less or equal to reflect that, meaning it can be 3, 2, 4 or 0. It can be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It should not go beyond 4. So I'm going to use less or equal, and then I put that constraint, which is 4. Then to add another constraint like this, the profit should be 2000. Okay, the profit should be, so I'm going to add another constraint. We are done with that. So I'm going to add, okay, another constraint that I've said the profit, this one. So you click on it or you reference it. They have said should be 2000, meaning I'm going to use equal sign or equal operator, equal sign. Let me use equal to reflect that it should be 2000. Okay, and then you press okay. Like I said, your constraints must be reflected here. So after adding your constraints and you realize that you have made a mistake somewhere, you can come here. You check on that constraint. So this is the first, this is the last, this is the second one. So to change, you just come here and change, or you can delete them, or you can reset all and you do afresh. Okay, so for now I don't want to change anything because we have no error, or we have made no mistake. So you come here and solve, and then you click OK. So we have achieved. They have said uh, the selling price should not exceed, or should cannot go beyond 4. So it is 4. Okay, and then uh, the profit should be 2000. Okay, our revenue has also changed, the total cost has also changed. Now that's how we use solver. I uploaded other techniques uh, that we can also use to solve that. That is goal seek, and there is a lot of content on that channel, and the channel name is called Simplified Academic Tutorials Yugi. Check out. I remain as Kawalia Robert. Thanks for watching. Okay.